Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And today we're going to be talking about how you can add a tracking code to your My Leads and Secrets every single time you send out an email so that you can track where your sales are coming from, how your emails are converting, and all these lovely things related to My Leads and Secrets. So guys, I'm going to jump on my screen in a second, but I want to welcome you to the channel first and foremost because this channel is all about skill sets that you can use and pave the way for your dreams to come true. What do I mean by that? Skill sets in relation to affiliate marketing and email marketing and just traffic generation in general. So take this step by step. These are small things. These are small trainings. In fact, this video is just going to be a training that I'm going to be talking about. And next week, I will share my updates for how My Leads and Secrets has been doing and so on and so forth. But you can see the other videos to My Leads and Secrets all on the channel. By the way, the links are in the description in case you need to see any of those playlists. And also I have a link to my group. Please answer the questions if you want to enter into the group and get my support there. But this is for active My Leads and Secrets members, or even just somebody who's looking and interested in getting started with My Leads and Secrets. I don't promote My Leads and Secrets as an income stream for myself personally, but as a tool that solves two problems. One, traffic generation, and two, it also helps you learn the skill of email marketing. So I'm really proud of it. I'm very happy to see the results that I'm getting. And I want to share with you some things along the way. As I'm learning them, I want to document them and share them with you guys as well. So if you're interested in these kinds of videos, every Monday I put out a video, and also 2 other times during the week, but every Monday is mainly about these skill sets that I talk about. So feel free to subscribe below and hit that bell notification in case you want to see any future videos, because you'll be notified and you can check that out. And I noticed that a lot of people are watching but haven't subscribed. So if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. Okay, let me jump onto my laptop and show you the rest. Okay guys, here I am on my laptop, and let me share with you more about My Leads and Secrets. Now, as I said, I use this primarily as one of the traffic sources for me to generate sales and commissions in my affiliate marketing journey. You can use it to send to YouTube. You can use it for many things as long as you are actually sending out an email every single day. So why do I say that it solves the problem of traffic generation in the first place? Because the basis of My Leads and Secrets is that it gives you 100 email leads every single day. And basically this means you're spending $1 a day. Yes, it does cost. It costs $30 a month to keep these leads coming in. And for the first month, it'll cost you another $30 of setup fee. So you can see right here. In fact, I'm going to leave a link to this page in the description of this video in case you want to get more information. It shares the results of My Leads and Secrets as well, how it can become an income stream for you and the various levels that are there. But I primarily got into it. It was a no-brainer for me because of this factor of it solves the problem of traffic generation for me. So it gets 100 leads every single day. So somebody who's starting maybe a funded proposal, starting something to generate an income, and then you diversify that into, paid marketing. That's what I personally do. I needed something to get started, to have that flow, right? So the 100 leads every single day is the reason why I got it. I didn't get it as an income source. It is becoming an income source for me, but it's not something that I focus on, okay? I focus on the email marketing skill set and the leads that I get there. So it's solving the problem because I'm getting 100 leads every day. What are these 100 leads? These 100 leads are basically people who have said yes to getting offers and signed up to an email list. Yes to getting offers of the emails that we send out, okay? So these are leads that they're getting every single day through paid methods, through different methods, but basically they're saying yes to us sending out an email. Now you can clean these leads, you can work on these leads on various ways possible. I've been in My Leads and Secrets since the beginning of March. It took me around 3 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, to start to generate some results because, 100 leads every day, 100 leads every day. In fact, let me go and share with you so that you can see. If I go to leads, okay, in My Leads and Secrets itself, you can see when I got started, the 6th of March, and I get 100 leads every single day from the 6th of March until the 20th, I think so, where basically when you get one referral into My Leads and Secrets, you start to get 200 leads every single day until that referral is active. If you don't, you have to have at least one member. If you have 0 members, then it goes back to 100 leads. As simple as that. Okay. But yeah, as I mentioned, the point for me is that it was giving me 100 leads every day, which means it was giving me an opportunity, an audience to email every single day for me to then, let me show you guys this, for me to then get opens on my emails and then clicks on my emails. So my main, let's say, metric that I'm looking at is the clicks right here. Am I generating enough clicks to my affiliate marketing offer? You can think about it as a YouTube video, for example, also. Am I generating enough clicks to my YouTube video? Am I generating enough clicks to my lead capture page, which is basically a landing page, a page on a website that collects the email address? As simple as that, right? So you can have it in different methods. You have to definitely understand the metric that you want. I personally wanted to go directly to my offer, and for me to get consistent sales so that I start to then use that amount that I'm earning from my sales to put it into paid traffic like solo ads, Bing ads, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's personally how I function. And I will be making another video about that in the future. But this is it also. When you sign up for My Lead Gen Secrets, as I said, it costs you $60 first month. And then the next of the following months, it's $30 per month. So it's pretty affordable if you want to get started. I will leave a link, as I said, to this page in the description of this video, and you can check out everything. It's pretty simple. And it shows you, one thing that it shows you on this page is firstly, how you can generate an income stream with My Lead Gen Secrets as well. Now, let me go into my back office. So this is when you get signed up, this is the homepage that you will have for My Lead Gen Secrets. This will be your back office. You get an email or a mailing system, so an autoresponder, a way to send out the emails, and you'll be able to send once every 24 hours an email. So you need to select all your leads that you have. So right now I have 5,900. You can then right here put your subject, fill out the email right here, and then as you can see I have another 8 hours left, but you can click on perfect timing, which I highly suggest, and then send out an email. But that's the work you need to do, right? Send out an email every day. In sending out these emails every single day, if you're promoting an offer, obviously you will send it to your offer. But if you're promoting, if you want to start generating, if you don't have an offer and you want to start generating an income through My Lead Gen Secrets itself, you can do that as well. So just to explain to you, when you do get started with My Lead Gen Secrets, you have a few things. As an affiliate of My Lead Gen Secrets, this is what you're getting. First and foremost, you have all these pages right here, which are basically sales pages. So I will just open all of them so that you can have a look at them. This is a sales page, which is an email. This is the page that you see right here. This is a page. This is an info page, okay, which basically gives you exactly what is needed. So if somebody asks you for information on My Lead Gen Secrets, and you want to share a little bit more about My Lead Gen Secrets, you can just take this info page and send it to whoever. There is an ID at the end, so a number right here, which is going to basically be linked to you, and that way you get the sale and you get the commissions there. Okay, so they can click here and basically they'll go to the opt-in page and so on and so forth. That's the last page, and then there's a splash page, which I can show you right here, which is basically you just click here. It's a banner page. I don't really use this. Maybe if you're using on traffic exchanges or something like that, you could use this splash page, but personally, I don't use it. There are these 4 pages that you have right here. And just to briefly go through the compensation plan, because as I said, I don't use this as an income source. I use this as a traffic source, right? But you can use it as both. You can use it as a traffic source and an income source, and you can actually send My Lead Gen Secrets leads, My Lead Gen Secrets as an offer. So I'm going to show you how to track that. But just to give you guys an idea, each and every time somebody purchases My Lead Gen Secrets, you get $5 per month. And this is a per month income that is you're generating for yourself. So if you want to make $50 a month, $100 a month, basically, if you want to make $50 a month, you need to get 10 people in. If you want to make $100 a month, you need to get 20 people to be subscribed to My Lead Gen Secrets in order for you to get $200 a month, right? So that's how it goes. $100 a month, and so on and so forth. And the nice part about this is that is also that they have up to 5 levels. So second level, you get 4, third level, you get 3, fourth level, you get 2, and fifth level, you get 1. So there is a lot of leverage that's there in this compensation plan. But as I said, I'm not going to go through the specifics of it. Additionally, there are one-time bonuses that you can get. So if somebody buys the OTO, what is called a one-time offer, then you can get $10, $8, and so on and so forth. But $10 is on the first. So if you get somebody to buy the OTO, or if they do opt in for the OTO, then you get $10 basically on that. Now, you need at least $30 for you to withdraw your commissions to PayPal, check, or Bitcoin, which is also cool for me because it's a way for me to earn more Bitcoin, to be honest. That's personally how I'm doing it and leveraging it that way. And then this is interesting that they have weekly superstar bonus competition. So a weekly superstar bonus is this. If you are able to generate or refer 5 new people within 1 month, within a period of 7 days, then they will give you a bonus of $100. So 7 people, that means $35 you're getting already per month, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 35, sorry, 5 people, not 7 people, 5 people. So 5 fives are $25 per month. You're getting to yourself. That's the main thing. They're going to give you, if you get 5 people to join, first and foremost, besides the fact that you're getting $5 commission, you're also going to get $100. So you could technically, if you just focus on that, $125 a week is very much possible if you get those 5 new members within a 7-day period. That's the whole point, for you to generate at least $25 worth of paid customers per week in order for you to get that bonus. And then there's another bonus: refer 25 people, paid customers, in 1 week, and you get a $500 bonus. So both these are definitely doable if you are a heavy marketer and you want to use this as the main offer, right? So that's just something for you to understand. Therefore, a lot of people, and let me show you in the Facebook group, there is Wes, who's currently right now doing a challenge even on YouTube, and you can check that out. If you want to see his channel, please go to his channel and watch his videos. But he's basically now, for the next, I think until the end of the year, he's going to be just sending My Legion Secrets leads. So he's not using an extra source. He's using My Legion, these 100 leads that you basically get every single day. He's sending them and offering, because they're just people on a list. They are also learning about My Legion Secrets. So it doesn't matter if you're sending them My Legion Secrets offer or some other offer, but he's basically sending them My Legion Secrets, and he's focused on getting the superstar bonus every single week. So getting at least 5 paid customers. Now, in doing that, you want to ask yourself, how do you track? Or if you're putting the link on Facebook, or if you're putting the link on YouTube, and so on and so forth, how do you track those leads? So I'm going to show you that right here. As I'm going to go to the affiliates tab, and these are your links, right? I highly suggest the sizzle page, just because this is the sizzle page right here. It's really a nice page. It's a very informative page and has everything that you need under one roof. So I would suggest a sizzle page, but it's really up to you, if whatever pages you want to use. And let's just copy the link of the sizzle page. This is the link that you will have right here. Now, how do you actually go about doing it? So this is what I'm going to show you right now. If you click on this right here, this 0 right here, if you're new to My Legion Secrets, and if you want to sign up, guys, the link to My Legion Secrets is in the description of this video. So if you want to sign up to My Legion Secrets and then send out a link which is going to have a tracking link. So let's give an example. Let's say that you're putting the link on Facebook, or you're putting the link in your email list, or you are sending it on a YouTube video. I want to show you this. If you click on this, any of these, I don't want to click, or I can click here also, but it'll show the names. So I don't want to show the names of the members who I got, but let me click on this 0. But you can see right here, there's source, right? So if I click on source, it shows this section right here, which is basically telling you how you can track your links. So you don't need an external tracker. You don't need anything else. This is how you can actually track your links. So you have your ID right here. So this is what it is actually. If you go and check it out, you'll see that the sizzle page has the 3825 and read and source and etc, right? So it's basically this entire thing that you can copy, which is your link itself, right? And then in replacing the ABCD, you can add whatever link you want. Now, see, for example, here I have the source as MLGS, which means somebody purchased through my link, which has MLGS as a tracking. This is how I know that the source for that referral, or that person who has bought, is My Legion Secrets. But let me just give you an example. I'm going to copy this link, okay, because it is my link, and I'm going to replace the ABCD with Facebook. So now if somebody buys, and I clicked on enter. So let's say that I want the sizzle page. Okay, let's say I want the sizzle page. I'm going to go back, because this takes you to the main page. As you can see, this is the main page. But let's say I want the sizzle page. I'm going to go to affiliates, click on promo tools, copy the sizzle page, and you can see I'm going to go back to affiliates, go back to the source, click on the source. You can see after this tag right here, there's and source equals. So I'm just going to copy this, which is the only extra thing. Okay, so this is how the sizzle page is. Let's click on enter. So it goes to the sizzle page, right? And then I'm just going to add, I copied it and I'm going to paste it. So Command V or Control V, whichever you are. And I'm going to change the end to YouTube. And I'm going to click on enter. So now I have the tag tracking code as YouTube. So now if I share this link on YouTube and you purchase My Legion Secrets, you'll basically show up in my downline with the source as YouTube. So this way I can track whether it's coming from YouTube, whether it's coming from My Legion Secrets. If you have multiple My Legion Secrets accounts, this is how you can also track from which account is the sale coming. If wherever your email list, you can change the source everywhere. So I personally like to change my sources so that I'm aware that if I'm doing some kind of marketing effort, whether it's free or paid, I know from where I'm getting a sale. So I know what's happening with my leads. Pretty much as simple as that. So I wanted to give you this training. It's a short training for My Legion Secrets on how you can add a tracking code. I suggest to highly use it so that you start to, these are all tools that we use in affiliate marketing to understand our audience, to understand the people, besides just sending out an email every day. So the whole aim is, if you join My Legion Secrets, let's just go to the home. If you join My Legion Secrets and you just want to promote My Legion Secrets, what you would do is every single day, you would come here to the mailing system. You'll have 100 leads. You select all the leads. You add your subject line here. And if you want a strategy on how you can actually write an email for My Legion Secrets, I'm going to also leave that in the description of this video. Also, you can find it on my channel if you just browse this email strategy that I have, but I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. And you write an email and you click on send, and you have to put the link in the email. So I'm just going to show you how an email looks so that you can see. Okay. So let's load this. This was an email that I did for My Legion Secrets itself. So I put down here, I gave some results and everything else. And then here you can see, click here to get started. Now, if I show you, this link right here is actually going from the sizzle page. So now, whenever I get a sale, even from My Legion Secrets to My Legion Secrets leads, this is what I'm sending it to. I know that it's coming from My Legion Secrets, but if you're doing YouTube, Facebook, whatever, you can change the link and just change it right here. As simple as that. Okay. There's nothing else that is easier than this. You have an autoresponder, you have pretty much a business in a box. If you want to use this as an income stream, it costs $30 a month. So it's really up to you if you want to buy it or not. As I said, I don't use this as an income stream. It is becoming an income stream, a bonus income stream for myself, but it's not something that I do as a primary. So I'm happy with 100 leads. I'm happy with more than that, etc. And basically you can see that I've earned around $20 already just with this method, and also tracking how I'm getting those sales, right? So that's the important thing. I need to understand from where I'm getting the sales. This is the point of this video, guys. It's not about My Legion Secrets. It's about using the tracking code and understanding the skill set of the tracking code to know and basically see where your audience is coming from and what you should focus on. Because if you don't know what to focus on, then what's the point, right? So you need to know where your traffic is converting. Maybe you're good at Facebook, maybe you're good at YouTube, maybe you're good at TikTok, but at least now you know what leads are converting and from where, so that you can focus on that to generate more sales and income for yourself. Like I said, you cannot guarantee any income. I cannot guarantee you any income. These leads are converting for myself. You can check out the other videos on my channel, but I hope this video gave you the information that you needed to use My Legion Secrets better. Guys, I'm going to be making more training videos and more videos, as I mentioned, on My Legion Secrets email marketing. If you're interested, then hit that subscribe button and the bell notification, and I'm going to see you on the next video.